In this video, we are going to see the best settings for Photon Sol. Open up your Photon Sol account and click here on Filter and keep only LP burned checked. I have kept the current liquidity to 8000. I have kept the age to 150 minutes, which means how old the crypto is since its launch. This helps you avoid getting rug pulled by any scam coin. I have also kept the market cap to 30,000, and after you change everything, just click on Apply. Now go over to your profile and click on Settings. Under Quick Buy, keep the slippage to 15%. Then I have kept the Smart MEV protection as fast, but as per your order size, you can switch between secure or fast. Set the speed to auto. Here you can customize the default quick buy amounts and then click on Save. The settings remain the same for quick sell, so just keep similar settings of your quick buy and quick sell and click on Save. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.